This week, National Security Council, any National Investigative Bureau, NIB for Omo Nwabine said, still they will be in the trend because last week in Bananka, Omo ebe trend after week na, ana returning makwe edni birthday ebe shimu. This week, Omo started. I was say I'm no kase. Where breaking news? Any 4:30 p.m. ye. National Security Council Okatakyie Afrifa arrɛstɛd edneko. Aha Penyah block media. Menso any demo. Oba like video no that over subscribe button, so like notification and connect latest updates. Aba chira adwenda ma me e comment. Make sure say oba so no share video more for so enya bi ahwe. Etima kaya last week Wednesday ana a pop up say Okatakyie Afrifa arrɛstɛd after say or call game pa e kwatwe exams na oba fie no. National Security Council for eba na hia ne kwam akwakoche no edneko. Emma, that story pop up on the internet in less than 2 hours time. And a demonstration called so TikTok and social media monthly free Okatakyie now. And because of that, MP before issue communicate on that. Say I didn't know much Afrifa, Bonnie Noye, Emma, Omo Ejai Afrifa. Says you look at say and every news Saka every deck 360 ho idea dance say Okatakyie Afrifa arrɛstɛd National Security Council for Asa Konifie. Akwato Ibra no owo studio omakwato ahye no so ache no this time around almost season the phone any many other things are omodin echo
mema kwa baba Okatakyie Afrifa news. This is very, very exclusive. Abusia asama bebio asem abebio national security aye na adwen say omoma Okatakyie Afrifa enda nti no ombetata na abaka ya 19th March 19th March and national security abra Okatakyie Afrifa upon from class what exams are all coffee and national security ebe detaining no ebe crossing no without no court order without no warrant number crossing no me no call a national security office now because of galamsey me do ka galamsey nsem ne ade ama enra kra no obe show na anopa anopa awia as at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. ene aye 20 5th March 4 p.m. ya me no kase ya national security assign abe cross Okatakyie Afrifa yes I'm abe cross no according to them no I'm say order from above and nsem bebrebe to ma be cross na o ma seize Okatakyie Afrifa ne phones and laptops na yes ne phones and laptops abusiam me no ka say there omo seize ne phones oma clear kwaye search on fie ne search heavy search am ka kanema boom heavy search on fie na abusiam me no ka say omo head straight to any studio omo ekoye studio search like search according to the order from above and then send be baby television. This is very exclusive aba asat 4 p.m. yes 4 p.m. and 25th March and aba to me the right ups and be go on said the be how it would the whole thing happened. It's exclusive bianso no ebusuan no me de beba onimisa hade everything about Okatakyie Afrifa biano yen fan come de be go am wohu de ekọ and de eba so national security aye na adwen say omo ede no NIB so I say nti me no ka say mu wie na omo de no kọ CID office yes CID headquarters nti no bibia ni abusuan me update one na wohu bibia o makra
obi yanko na yo inform to what do you say you can't crunch it Mr. John Mahama memwo o meye hwe dia kofo do ye no bi no se ne me ban ma ba be lift mesi mo dia metia mo betam mebo e dia breme matem dia mo di me nkosi hwe nya no so ne mejai say mo pa mo nyu state security ne mra after me mo pa cyber security wan crime security yi wan na BNI ensa hwe and demonstration will be loaded. Precisely so. Now, call for the records page. You are. May the Stop Galamsey post a biato. All so-called Vietnamese for Monko Peke will be unregistered on social media. How angry we are. What should I say? We want you ready, dear. And go be. Make sure you're ready. Demonstration general will be a new Chrome Howard Chairman. Oliver Ma. Will be enemy yet. Then come when we see. I fix the country ni be jina nyina me na nam dia ni mu mom pesa mo de credit be man because me nya this in India me na me lead here me na different idea they be share by we galam say so mo anya ya be shock him we will make the country ungovernable for him and then this 3 days demonstration the Oliver fire we in the Trocano me na me suggest this idea go and ask Oliver 3 days wonya ho we we shall rise and protect what we believe in. A kayan kwa ebe one man demonstration. Catch it. They say a kayan kwa ebe one man demonstration. And then you want to tell Okatakyie ofui, Okatakyie why? Opa chore di obecho. Ensa she. Messi better Flagstaff House. 3 days continuous until John Dramani Mama will tell us when him kwa first obeso be galamsi. So catch it. Many animal crumb for people before we are crumb for or more remu America. So mutu galamse sensual. And no the na yamude. And no na yamude. And na your mama ba ne nkofo atiasim ye dwiri forest go almost me nka manu because me campaign tiano. Me campaign tiano because na minim de obeye. More fire. Me campaign tia your mama because na minim de obeye. Oba na omo ahya ase yi. Tanu anwea no ba bia me hu ye me yem crash me. Obi. More fire. We shall not sit down for anybody to use any reverse psychology intimidation. They say demonstration, you know. What the moment about 2 weeks in your finding Ghana Nioma. But Shumana Kamiana say, may man grace period bear 6 months. But in January, you be near forest in Ash. You be na, you use in Ash. And we shall not sit down and allow anybody. What me find this young people say, I know. And this mutimi ana na Okatakyie no nka no me say mo ga za mo yese na jaza Okatakyie jai ntokwa no ne mbako mo yare
more fire I see I'm going to say that Tuesday one the prime promoter for Okatakyie Afrifa mensa I started free Afrifa now demonstration on the social media spaces I see I'm will be now started joining this particular trend yes they are Afrifa beba no ba obesa be chiremu the National Security Council as a opportunity. Now, one for claims bia a galamsey assemble or because obey no enwa obey stop galamsey now of nishon obey hosting additional to the stop galamsey na amanfo alleges bia because of that program na oye na enra ana ama National Security Council and National Investigative Bureau for akwache no ene wo so adwen kire ene say kire adwen ma me e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra.